Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, I am filming this in my garage here. I have a skateboard here, which I don't even know how to use or never used. And the main focus of this video is this guy here. This is the MECO Eleverde battery-operated security camera, and it's wire-free. And just a disclaimer, MECO did reach out to me and asked me to do a review unit in exchange to receiving this unit. However, all opinions expressed in this video are my own, and I'm going to give you the likes and dislikes about this unit. So today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to review some of the features and functions of it. I'm going to show you the setup process, as well as an overview of the application. As you're watching the video and find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Today, we're going to review the MECO Eleverde model security camera. It's a wire-free security battery camera. Place it anywhere, watch anywhere. Built-in 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, full HD at 1080p, has a 10-meter night view, two-way intercom audio, 120-degree review angle, and it's weatherproof. In the box, it has a thank you for your purchase card, and tells you if you register, they will be sending you a Class 10 32GB micro SD card, which is a nice gift. Here are the instructions booklet. It's very well written instructions, very clear step-by-step with pictures, and it lays it all out for you. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. This is the magnet mount that attaches to the back of the camera. I'm going to demonstrate how this works later on in the video. Here is the USB Type-A to micro USB charging cable, and I really wish it was modern and that they used a USB Type-C cable. I hate micro USB charging cables, just the way you have to angle it in just right. Here, I'm just going to peel off the plastic here for a closer look. Here is the lens. The three LED you see here are the infrared illuminators for night vision. The bottom bump here is the PIR sensor, which stands for passive infrared sensor, which detects motion. There's a microphone at the bottom to allow two-way communication. This is what they call the iron mount. It's for the magnetic mount that comes with it. As you can see, it's pretty strong and I can't shake it off. On the bottom is a rubber cover that reveals the power button, the micro SD card slot, and the micro USB charging part. On the bottom has a 4-inch thread for a ball mount attachment. In terms of quality, the unit has a hard plastic. And I'm looking at the seams and I don't see any defects or cracks. It states that this is weatherproof and I'm confident that rain or snow won't seep into the unit. The max micro SD card size it can take is 128GB, which I have here. I'm going to use this to store both video and pictures from the security camera. If you are using a micro SD card to store files, it means you don't have to subscribe to their cloud-hosted paid service to store and access your security footage. I'm going to download and install the Cloud Edge app that is available for both Android and iOS. I'm going to scan the QR code from the instruction booklet and download the Cloud Edge application. In terms of connecting the Cloud Edge app to the MECO security camera, it was very easy. The in-app instructions to set it up was really well done. It has a walkthrough setup that has both visuals and voice cues.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
And it takes the guesswork completely out of it. It was foolproof and great job, MECO. I decided to take the ball joint attachment over the magnetic mount. I chose the ball joint because it gives me a greater range of flexibility to angle the camera of how I just like it. You can see the movement notifications as I'm just in camera, so I know the sensor notification is working. I wanted to see how the infrared illuminator light works. I turned off the garage light, and you can see that the illuminating lights are working very well. You can see me in the dark, and I kind of glow because I'm wearing a gray jacket here. In terms of the camera picture quality in the dark, it was really nice. It's actually better than my Wise cameras that I have in the garage as well. Even though it's in the dark, the camera was able to pick up my movement and notify me on my phone. When I turned the lights back on, you can see it took a while for the camera to adjust back to normal settings, from the infrared illumination setting back to the normal view. It's not a big deal to me, however, compared to my Wise version 1 camera that's also in the garage, the switch over was almost instantaneous, and so that's something that I wasn't used to. Again, it's not a big deal. When you're in the app, it does give you some key stats. It gives you your Wi-Fi strength, which is 44%, and it has a battery indicator icon as well. I'm just going to review the motion detection settings. Low, the motion detects up to 10 meters or 22 feet, and high, the motion detects up to 5 meters or 16 feet. I left all the defaults on. I left the day and night detection to alert me when a human was identified. I click on the play icon to view alert pictures and video clips. It shows timestamps of motion detection. It will take both a snapshot and a video clip. Here's the first one. It's a snapshot of my wife getting into the car, and the next one is my kid moving the garbage can back into the house. Now I'm going to select a 20-second video clip from the motion detection. My garage is 22 feet wide, and the lens acts like a fisheye lens and is able to capture it from wall to wall, which I was really happy about. The color and quality is good enough for security camera purposes. I wouldn't be using this to make a movie, that's for sure. To conserve battery, the camera does not do real live recording, which means you can't go back in time to see what's happening in between alerts. So the timeline here is blank. So the little slivers you see of color is when it recorded a motion detection. I'm just going to review the recording management system. You can set it to 20, 40, or 1 minute recording intervals when it detects motions. And I'm just going to leave it for 1 minute. My only complaint with the MECO security camera is the Wi-Fi connection. I'm in a detached garage and it's about 20 feet away from my router between two exterior walls. The connection at times is sluggish and has a hard time connecting to the camera, as you can see here. It initially would start loading and then it stopped, and then I have to hit the play button again to start the live feed again. This isn't often, but probably 1 out of 5 times it tells me there's a poor connection, even when I'm trying to check footage. Now I have a Wise camera mounted next to this camera that looks out the window into my backyard, and that one has better Wi-Fi connection, as I've never had a lag or poor connection issue. That wraps up my video review of the MECO Eleverde battery-operated Wi-Fi security camera. And overall, I do recommend this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below to the Amazon links for Amazon Canada and Amazon US if you want to check it out. I'll leave it in the description below. If you have any questions or comments about this camera, please leave it below and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.